Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a subscription website on Google or how to create a subscription website for free. First, you'll need to go onto sites.google.com. From here, you'll be able to create your website for completely free, and they will also host your website for free. So all you'll need to do, will tap on blank site in the top left hand corner. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can edit the page title right where you see your page title. You can change that section if you want. So let's say, for example, I want to change the text to simple answers. All I'll need to do is simply type it in right here. After you have done that, you can change the font style if you want by tapping here. We could change the font style to whatever we want. You can also change the size of the font. And if it is a case that you would like to add an emoji, you can also do that. You can also add an image to your header section. Now that you have done that, it is now time to add your product. For this tutorial, I simply went onto canva.com, and canva.com is a platform that you can use to create basically any design. It is perfect if you are planning to start doing basically anything on the internet. So all I did was went onto Canva, and from there I typed in product sale, and you can see the different product templates right here that it came up with. If it is a case that you wanted to add a video, you could do that. If it is a case that you would like to use one of these templates, which is a still photo, basically like a half landing page, you could do that also. So I selected one of them, which was this one, and I quickly edited it and I made some changes and then I saved it. So all you'll need to do now, you could go here, then you could go over to the left hand menu option. You can either choose to upload the image only by tapping on images. So if I were to do that, then tap on upload right here, right hand corner. Then select the image that I had downloaded from Canva. You can see it has been added right here. If it is a case that I wanted to add text right beside it, all I would need to do is tap on content blocks and I would select the first option. Then I would tap on the plus here. Then you could tap on upload, and from there you could image or you could select the video that you would like to add. After you have done that, you could text information right here about the product, and you can also pull it down if you would like to edit the size of the box, as you can see right here. But for this tutorial, I'll be using this option, so let me delete this box real quick, as I will be using this option. So I will be using the image option only. So I'll tap on image, tap on upload, and I'm going to be uploading the image real quick. After you have uploaded the image that you will be offering for your subscription, so I'll be offering a new fragrance every month. So all you'll need to do now, I'll be showing you two ways to do this. The first option that you could use is PayPal. So you're going to go onto paypal.com. If you don't have an account as yet, you're going to create an account. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on the settings cog, what I want you to do next, from the top menu option, you're going to tap on seller tools. Once you have tapped on seller tools, you'll be redirected to this page. And you're going to scroll down, tap on PayPal buttons. Once you have tapped on PayPal buttons, you will be redirected to a new page, and you're going to scroll down a bit. And from here, you can tap on Smart Subscribe, or you could select Subscribe. For this example, we will be using the Smart Subscribe option. So you're going to tap on that. Then from there, you could enter the product name. So you enter the product name right here. So let's say, for example, cologne. So let me do that real quick. Then after you have done that, you can enter the price. So you can select the currency. Then you could enter the price right here. So let's say $19.99 per month. You can also select the frequency, whether it is a weekly subscription, daily subscription, or yearly subscription, you can select it right there. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. You can select the layout, whether it is vertical or horizontal, and you can see a preview of how it looks right there. You can also change the shape, whether you want it to be rectangle or pill. You can choose the option. I prefer when it is pill. As you can see right there, it does look a bit more appealing to me. You can also change the colors, whether you like it to be gold or blue. And you can also edit the button text, whether you like it to say subscribe or PayPal. The name, all you'll need to do is tap in the bottom left hand corner on Explore Subscription Features. Once you have tapped on Explore Subscription Features, you will see the subscriptions that you have created. So you can see it right here. Now all you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in line with the subscription name. Then from there, you will see the option to copy code or copy link. What I would recommend you do is tap on copy code. After you have tapped on copy code, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And you're going to simply tap on copy code right here. So you'll tap on copy code, then you'll see learn how to add code. You don't need to do that, as I'll be showing you how to do that. So you're going to simply go back into Google Sites, then go over to the right hand menu option, tap on embed, then select embed code, and you're going to paste in the code that you have copied, then tap on next. Then from there, you're going to see a preview of the button. As you can see right here, it is loading up. Then you're going to simply tap on insert. Once you have tapped on insert, you can see that the button has now been added, as you can see right here. If it is a case that you would like the picture to be clickable, so you'd like to add the link to the picture, so if someone were to click on the pic, it would automatically redirect them to the payout page. You can go back into PayPal. So we could go back into PayPal real quick, tap on go to plans. Once you have tapped on go to plans, all you'll need to do is tap on the three dots once more. Then you could tap on copy link. Then you could tap on copy link once more. Now that you have copied the link, you could go back into Google Sites, tap on the image, then select the link icon. Then you could paste in the link right here. Then you'll tap on apply. So now this is a clickable image. So if someone should go onto your store and tap on this image, they will be redirected to the checkout page on PayPal. The second option that I would recommend you use to create a subscription website using Google Site is Stripe. So all you'll need to do is go onto stripe.com. If you don't have an account already, create an account quite easily. After you have created your account and you're on the home page, you're going to tap right where you see share a payment link. So you'll tap on start. After you have tapped on start, you will be redirected to a new page. So let me do that real quick. In the top left hand corner, you're going to see the option select type. You're going to tap on product. After you have done that, and from there you can tap on add. Now once you're here, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and where you see options, if you would like to collect your customers' addresses, you could tap right there. And also if you'd like to require their billing and shipping addresses, you could tap on that right here. But if you want to only collect their billing address, you could tap on billing address right there. If you also want to include a free trial, you could tap here. If it is a case that the subscription that you're offering requires customers to provide a phone number, you can tap on that. If you'd like to offer a custom field, so you could tap on custom field, where the customer can write out a special request or so on, you could tap here to do that. After you're finished and everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on create link in the top right hand corner. So we are going to tap on create link real quick. Then after you have created the link, I will be showing you what to do next. See a preview of how it looks, and you can also see the numerous payment options that our customers will now have access to. What you can do next is you could tap on copy, just like what I did with PayPal. You could tap on copy right here and you could paste this link, or better use this link, so that your image will become clickable. If it is a case that you would prefer to get the button, you could tap on buy button. Once you have tapped on buy button, you will see a window pop up. Then from there, all you'll need to do now, you have two options. You can either copy this option, which will show an image of the product that you're offering for them to subscribe to, or you could tap on button, then tap on save changes and copy code. After you have tapped on save changes and copy code, once you have tapped on save changes, you'll simply tap on copy code at the top of the page. After you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Google Sites. Then you're going to tap on embed, then select embed code, and you're going to paste the code right here. Then you'll tap on next, and you're going to see a preview. Then you'll tap on insert, and you will see that the button has now been added. Those are the two options, so you can choose whether you would like to add PayPal or Stripe, or if you'd like to add both of them, you can do that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.